Hi, in this video we learn ABB ACS 150 drive local mode start stop. If you want to start stop drive from keypad, so which parameter require and how to start stop this drive from keypad. If you want to start or stop drive from this keypad in drive, so follow this process. How to run drive in local mode? If you want to run your ABB ACS 150 drive by keypad using this button, do one thing: press LOC REM button once and check the mode LOC. LOC means local mode, drive control by the keypads. After this, press start button. Now drive start. Using this potentiometer, you can increase or decrease the speed of motor, rotating anti-clockwise, so output frequency decrease, rotating clockwise, output frequency increase. If you want to stop drive, press stop button. If you want to change the direction, now drive in forward mode, press this button once, so direction of the motor is changed. By pressing start button, drive start, and you can increase or decrease frequency by potentiometer, which is inbuilt in ACS 150 drive. Press stop button to stop.